Now let's talk about default routes. As you can see, I am now on router 2, R2. Off of router 2, we see that there's a network. This would be a representative of a network with a bunch of users on it. The next thing that we see is that we're connected to a serial 000, which, as you can guess, that's router 1 on the other side of that. Router 1 is connected to a network plus the internet service provider. So that's how we get through router 1, through the serial 000 connection. That's how we get to the rest of the world and our other networks sitting on the other side. So what we can do is we could specify IP routes for every single network that's out there. Obviously, this would be a very tedious project to enter all of those in. So what we do is we create a default route. To create a default route, we have to be in the global config mode, and we use our same IP route command. With the IP route command, we need to specify a network that's going to represent everything. We know that's the first address in the sequence. So the first address that represents everything is 0.0.0.0. That would be the network address for all of IP version 4 network ranges. And then the default subnet mask would be 0.0.0.0. And then we have to specify the interface that's going to go out of, which would be serial 000. I'm going to hit enter. We'll exit out of this. We'll do a show IP route to see what our routing table now has in it. And then there's a star here that says this is the default route, the route that it will use if no other routes are found. And it works this way because the routing table always looks for the most specific and uses that first. So if it doesn't find something that's more specific, then it defaults to this route here, hence the name default route.